you all know whether it's worth the queue or not, because as you all can see over here, there's actually a long queue. So the queue starts over there, then there's people all the way here, and we are lining up from here. So I'm definitely curious to see whether the queue is worth it or not, because a lot of times sometimes we queue, and then when you finally it's your turn and you get to taste it, it's not that great anyway. Just
the ice cream. Yeah, I feel the ice cream.
let's try a little bit with the cream. I'm not a fan of dessert, but this is something that I'll come for again. Definitely good.